Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Beauty by Mona. Welcome. So today we're going to be doing an unboxing, usual beauty unboxing, and I got the chance to get the Black Friday box. It was a limited edition, so we're going to be unboxing two limited editions, December Glossybox and December Birchbox. So get a cup of tea because it's going to be a long one, and let's get started. Okay, so we're going to start off with the Black Friday glossy box. This costs £15 for unsubscribers and £10 for subscribers. I got mine for £1.80, and I will let you know how I got that at the end of this video. So let's just get unboxing. Got your leaflets, and it says a Black Friday limited edition. The first product in here is Diamond Gold Dusk Sheet Mask, and it's a brightening sheet mask. So it says wash and cleanse your face in preparation of applying your mask. Remove the mask from the package and place it tightly on your face, avoiding the eyes and lips. So you have to leave it on for 20 minutes. After that, remove it face and gently pat to your face to let the remaining absorb into your face. So this is it's got pearls in it, pearl extract. This retails for £5.99 NUA. There's a Bronze Perfection Shimmer, and this is in the shade Sahara Sunlight. This retails for £4. The Beauty Egg by Unicorn Cosmetics retails for £4.99. Ooh, that's quite soft. I've never had a beauty blender this color before. It's quite bouncy, quite soft. It has this slant at the side of it. It has the same texture as the beauty blenders. Effects Cosmetics, and this is Matte Effect Translucent Loose Rice Powder, and this retails for £9.40. Combined with Mocha and Rice Touch, this setting powder will give your makeup a professional looking matte finish. After applying a basic layer of foundation and concealer, use a large fluffy brush to buff the powder all over your face. This will fill out the crease and create a smooth, long-lasting finish. This is just a powder, and it's very white. So many translucent powder, and this is too white for my liking. Next product is by Imperial Leather. Bomb Blast Pampering Lychee and Lotus Flower. This is a deluxe mini, and this retails for £2. Full size retails for £5. So this is intensive care leave-in conditioner for frizzy hair and damaged hair with sweet almond oil and argan oil. It's vegan free and cruelty. I have used this before and it was really good. It is a deluxe mini, and this retails for £2.59, and the full size retails for £6.99. Next product here is Cloud Lips, the shade Storm. This retails for £14. It says it's a full size, and let's just show you the shade. It's a very beautiful shade. This is like more of a winter lipstick. It's a full coverage lipstick with a hint of pink and purple, which you can really see that, and I like pinks. This will look really good on me. So Part Duper. This is a super light sheer butter hand cream, and this is a full size. It retails for £6.50. This smells really nice. Ooh, it feels really good too. Mystic Black Mask. This is a hair mask that has been in a past glossy box. I think I got it last year. It's a deep hair mask, and it smells very nice. Always smells so good. And this is in a deluxe size. Retails for £2.20, and the full size retails for £8.90. The last item in the box is Carmax. This is a moisture plus hydrating lip tape. A normal Climax, which you can get in like the yellow, which is just clear, but this has a tint in it, and it's a tiny size, but it's a full size, and this retails for £4.99. This is really good if you have like dry lips during winter. Shea butter in it, and it's got vitamin B3, and it's got a hint of pink. There you go. So that's everything that I got in the Black Friday box. You get 10 items for £10 if you're a subscriber, or 10 items for £15 if you're a non-subscriber. which is really good for a Black Friday sales. And it was a limited edition, so if you don't get it, it's gone. They were also doing limited edition mystery box, which was £5 for subscribers. I think it was about £10 for non-subscribers. I didn't get it. I didn't really want it because I knew I got the Black Friday one. So basically what the mystery box was is that it's a past glossy box that they've had, or they've done this year, as far as I know. A past glossy box, that box you would be getting as a mystery box. And I didn't really like that, so I didn't bother getting myself one. So the next limited edition box that I got was the Christmas limited edition box. This is, so it's a season to be glossy box. This is what I decided to get, and I believe this was about £30 for subscribers and £35 for non-subscribers. So people who missed out on the advent calendar, the Glossybox advent calendar, you could have got your hand on this instead. I didn't get my hand on one because I traveled out of the country and there was no way I was gonna get it on time before I traveled. So I got this one instead. I got my box for £19. As I said, I'll let you know how I did that at the end of the video. This is how it looks like inside. Just cute. It says Christmas Unlimited Glossybox Christmas Limited Edition. That's the leaflets. It tells you everything that's in the box. First item is by Spectrum. It's a black mascara, and this retails for £12.99. I always need a black mascara because I need to get one every 3 months anyway, so it's good to have a new one. This item is Bare Minerals Complexion Rescue Defense Radiant Taint Protective Moisturizer. This is a deluxe mini. This retails for £9.10 and the full size retails for £35. Apparently it's vegan moisturizer and it's got SPF in it. So it's just a tinted moisturizer with SPF. Next product is Intense Moisture Boost Moisturizing Mask by eCooking. You can wear it for 10 minutes or wear it overnight. Ooh, it looks so jelly type of face mask. The deluxe mini retails for £9.60 and the full size retails for £32. Next item we have the Philip Kingsley Body Builder Conditioner. This is a full size and this retails for £10.50. So I have used this one before in the past glossy box, so it's really nice to get another one. The past one that I had was a deluxe mini or a mini size, so it's good to have another conditioner. It was really good, so it's nice to have another one. It's good for all hair types. Next item is by Eveline Rose Satin Hand Cream. A deluxe mini retails for £9 and the full size retails for £20.50. It smells like a rose in it. Smells good. Next item is by Laura Mercier. This is a deluxe mini. It's a translucent loose powder. I have the full size. The full size retails for £30 and the deluxe mini retails for £3.62. I have seen this in the shop. You can get it in Space NK. It's a really great setting powder, so if you get one of these, it's amazing. The next item is by NARS. I love NARS products. This is a blush and it's in the shade Orgasm. It's a deluxe mini. This retails for £18 and the full size retails for £25. I have tried this before in the shop. It's really nice. You can use it as a blush or a highlighter. It's really cute and it's really nice to have one of these tiny travel size, because I usually lose so many makeup when I'm traveling. This is Huda Beauty Warm Brown Obsession palette, or the warm colors. It's gorgeous. I'm loving this brown right here. I'm loving this brown here and that shade there. Thinking of a look at the moment. All matte shades. and one shimmer shade. This retails for £25. We have Rituals Eau de Perfume. This is a travel size and it retails for £12.99. Smells really good. There's two different ones that you get. So you get this one, which is an angle brush, or you get an eyeshadow brush. So I got an angle brush. This is an angle blending brush and says look good, feel better. And next you get a Christmas candle from Yankee. And it's a Christmas magic. 4 different ones that you can get. Christmas cookie, Christmas Eve, Christmas magic, red apple week for the Christmas magic, which was my second favorite. I really wanted the Christmas cookie, but it's okay. I got my second favorite. A smaller size. This is a full size. The retail price of this is £8.99. Yakin candle, and this is the mini size anyway. It smells really nice. Last year I got this from the advent calendar, the Glossybox advent calendar. Look how low it is. So it's really nice. I got another one. Added it to all my Christmas edition from Home to Our Family. So I'm gonna put that right there. Just gonna replace the other one. Everything I got in the limited edition Christmas box. That's 11 items you can get for £30. I mean, that's really good because everything in here values for £130. So this is the December glossy box, and this is the next box to unbox. So that's the leaflet. So the leaflet here says Merry Metallics. First item here is Lash Plus Cosmetics, and it's a 3D False Minx lashes. Retails for £9.75. You can wear this for like a Christmas party. Definitely a vibe. Very simple lashes, but it's really nice. It's kind of similar to the one I have on now. Next item is Bella Pierre Cosmetics, and this is a liquid shadow eye candy in Venus. This is a full size and it retails for £20. It's also cruelty free, so it's basically a glitter. You can use it as an eyeshadow. Very, very nice. Nice for like the Christmas season. You can also use it as a highlighter as well. You can also use it as a highlighter as well. Multi-purpose item. By LOV. It's a matte lipstick in the shade Extrovert, and this is a full size. There's 4 different shades, and I'm guessing I got the darker shade. It retails for £8.90. It's very sleek. It reminds me of the Sleek Cosmetics lipstick, and this is how it looks like. Did I get the darker shade? I don't know. It looks dark to me, but that is a winter color. That is gorgeous. Very nice. It's a full size and it feels so smooth. It's by Steve Laurent, and this is the loose powder. This is also a full size, and this retails for £4.60. So this can be used as an eyeshadow or highlighter. It's just a loose powder. It's very, very similar to that right here. So you can use it as an eyeshadow, put on the liquid eyeshadow and put this on for more of a vibrate look on top of it, and then use that as an eyeshadow, highlighter as well on your cheekbones. The last item is by Original Source. So this is sweet rhubarb and raspberry, and this is vegan. That smells very nice. If you've watched most of my videos from past, you know that I use the Original Source. It's very affordable. This is a full size and this retails for £2.30, but sometimes it's on like savouries for like £1. I don't know if you get this exact, I don't even know Tesco sells it, but this is exactly the one you can get in Tesco, but they have multiple different ones that I use, and like the lemon and tea tree one I have in the shower at the moment, and I can't wait to try this one. I usually go to Savers to get it for like £1 for this exact size, and they have another bigger size. I think it's the 500ml. I believe the 500ml will be like £2 in Savouries. So get you a bargain and go into Savouries and get some of these. That's everything I got in the December glossy box. The next box, well, the next bag, usually it comes in a box, but they gave us a bag for the Christmas, so you can use this as a makeup bag if like you're traveling or anything. It's a really nice idea. It's got like a lovely glitter star and it's a good size for your makeup in. Birchbox symbol, it's like B, so that's for Birchbox. Open it up and see. Ooh, the first item here is by Candy Kittens, and this actually I've actually had sweets from them before. I've bought sweets for sausages and it was sweet candy. I just wanted a vegan sweet, and this was it? It tastes amazing, absolutely amazing. This is wild strawberry. The one I had was like a mixture of different flavors. It was really nice. Even my little cousins loved it as well. They just loved it. And I was like, yay, that's a good sign. Vegan recipe, gluten-free, palm oil free. It tastes amazing. Like, I'm actually gonna have one now. I love sweet. I love me some sweet. And it's actually the same. It's actually shaped like a cat's head. Just good. This is just an extra treat. It's just really nice. That's really good. In the bag, you also get like a discount code, a little card. So you get like 35% off on the website. If you're vegan, definitely recommend that. There's the leaflet. It says Ready Set Glam Ultra Deep Cleansing Pore Strips, and it's for your pores. It's to cleanse your pores. So you strip it on and put it around your nose area. Like, but before you do that, you have to like cleanse your skin, make sure it's dry, and then you put it on for like 10 to 15 minutes, and it takes off all your pores. I've never tried this before. I've seen these around where it actually looks like that. I've seen it in Superdrug. So this retails for £7.99. This is the Rituals shower oil. This has got Indian rose and sweet almond oil. Smell this. It smells amazing. This is a travel size and it retails for £8.50. Next item is Pear and Reed. This is a hold hairspray. I've had one of these and obviously I sold it because I have a big hairspray, like a massive big one. I haven't finished using it and I have a travel size already, and this is also a travel size. Full size retails for £12.50. Is Daily Concepts. This is a multifunctional soap sponge. There's a 2-in-1, so it's a soap and it's a sponge, and I have a few products from them, so this is really nice too. It's a mild, so anyone who's like quite sensitive can use that. And this is a full size and this retails for £6. Next item is an eyeshadow by Birchbox, and it's got the Birchbox brand. It looks like an angled eyeshadow brush, which I got in the Glossybox Christmas box, the limited edition, and it seems exactly the same. It feels very soft on the skin. There's nothing bad about having more eyeshadow brushes. The last item in the box is eyeshadow. This is Forgive Me Susie eyeshadow palette, Jade I Swear. It's a full size and this retails for £9. It's like a mini size of Huda Beauty Warm palette. These eyeshadows, there was two that you could choose from. It was this one and there was another one which was more of a neutral palette. This is more of a wintry, like a full autumn palette, so this would be nice to gift out. That's why I'm not going to open it. That's everything, guys. I said I was going to explain how I got my Black Friday box and also my Christmas limited edition glossy box, how I got it for £1.80. So basically, when you get your box, use the item, you do a survey about it. Also, leaving a review will give you credit. If you have a referral code and you send it to your friends and they sign up to Glossybox, you get credits. So when you leave a review, you get a credit. When you do a survey on the Glossybox site, you get a credit as well. You have a referral code and you leave it. Who signs up as a subscriber to Glossybox will get a discount, and you will also get some money on your credits. So when you get your credit, you can use your credit to buy stuff on Glossybox, like the Black Friday box or the Christmas limited edition that I got for £19 instead of paying £30. You can also use your credits to shop on Look Fantastic. I think you have to go through Glossybox website to go to Look Fantastic to use the credits that you get on Glossybox websites to buy items and Look Fantastic. So that's the best way to get some of your boxes like affordable, like especially the limited editions. Thank you for watching my video. See you guys soon and have a happy holiday. Bye.